What's up, guys? Welcome back to the BT Cars. Hope you have an amazing day. In today's video, we're at this amazing car show at Garage Grill. We're doing a toy drive. By the way, this is awesome, guys. Check out these cars. Check out these cars. Hopefully,
yeah, this is gonna be so awesome. Doing a toy drive.
Excited, yes.
Heck yeah.
Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the bell. Got a Porsche 911 Turbo S right here. His favorite color, yellow. Maybe this might be the car for him. Oh yeah, look at that interior. The yellow. Yeah.
Those are so fast.
Oh yeah. And then we got a Acura NSX finishing this beautiful blue color. Also the carbon fiber, right?
Drive it around here. That's why I come
along. Oh yeah.
Somebody else on it.
Acura NSX. Yeah.
NSX, I love those. Look at the carbon fiber engine.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Carbon fiber. Awesome. Anytime I see carbon fiber, I just... Look. Oh yeah, I got a 570S rolling in right here. Wow, that is sick.
McLaren, yeah.
Here's the front of the Acura. And here's the front of the 911 Turbo S. Alright, on to the next cars here. What do we got here?
That's a Charger, guys.
Dodge Charger right here. Oh yeah.
Not sure the exact year, but it's got your air shocks in the back.
White interior.
Lifts the back up a little bit, kind of slants it. That's way high.
Class. Oh yeah, look how high that is. The ground. Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, check this out.
All right, we got a Camaro SS.
1969.
Nice. He knows his facts.
Yep.
Classic cars.
So I'm old, I know. 69 Camaro SS.
I love this blue color on cars.
Really neat color.
Guy over there with the race cars that they let my grandson do now.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Check this thing out. This is insane. This is a full-on space shuttle right here. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Toy drive.
Toy drives, baby.
Oh yeah. Revenue, I'm not sure what that is. That's insane, guys. Got two Lamborghini Uruses. This one finished in matte white.
It's like the one in Vegas.
Oh yeah.
We were at.
Link below to that video if you haven't seen that one. Urus. Oh yeah.
I like the red.
Then yeah, I like the red better, but comment below what you like better, red or matte white. Oh yeah, and got the Huracan, Lamborghini Huracan with the scissor doors on that.
Scissor doors.
We saw this one at Top Golf. I didn't really film at Top Golf that much because that was actually my first video. You guys didn't know.
I love that matte black.
Yeah, these doors actually open up and then they're scissor doors, so they go up. Awesome.
So like McLaren?
No, like an Aventador.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I know, they should put scissor doors on all of her cars.
They should.
I know, they should. Alright, we got a F430 Challenge car right here.
Woo.
Ferrari F430 Challenge car.
Heck yeah. Guys, this is such a cool event. The toy drive for kids.
Awesome.
This is why we're here.
Dude, yeah, this is sick. Look at that engine bay.
Yeah. Way awesome.
Next up, we got a Ferrari.
What is that?
Ferrari 458 Speciale.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's...
That is hot.
That is hot. Look at that front. Love that.
These $3 Oh, yeah.
Is that?
Yeah, this is SF9.
Brake and throttle, and turn signal, and I'm done. It's got way too much crap for me.
Is that for sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Think so.
Nice. Look at that gorgeous car.
I know.
Oh,
This
that
is like
yellow
one of the-
just adds
This
everything.
is the first Ferrari SF9 history dolly I've ever saw. Look at this.
Isn't that neat? Let me get a full view of it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Favorite color's yellow.
Got a Ferrari 488 Pista. Look at this. This looks like a complete Batmobile. Oh my gosh. Got a Bugatti Chiron rolling in right here. Oh my gosh. Dude. Are you kidding me? Bugatti Chiron Super Sport right here.
Look at that.
That's awesome. Oh.
The king.
Yep. King of the hypercars right there. Oh yeah, let's 1,500 horsepower.
They're about 4 million, aren't
Yep,
they, Tom?
4 million.
Roughly.
Awesome, dude. So awesome. It's one of the biggest car shows ever, dude. This is awesome. Hopefully Stradman's Bugatti Veyron will be here and sit right next to that. Or Post Malone's Chiron.
That's the one at Eaglewood.
Yep.
that we
Saw
see.
this one at Eaglewood and Utah Motorsports campus. Thing is so sick, guys. Oh my gosh. That's nuts. Oh yeah. Porsche Chican on. Oh, I can't get over this Bugatti Chiron. That's awesome, dude. Wow. Yep, W16. I bet 1,500 horsepower.
That's okay. Still king of the cars.
Oh yeah.
That's the king.
The red interior, I love this. All the chrome inside. This is insane. See my shirt right here? It's an orange Lamborghini Huracan, and guess
Let
what?
me see.
Oh yeah, the same exact car on my shirt right there.
There it is.
Lamborghini Huracan.
Yep.
Oh, the same exact one on my shirt.
Yep.
Oh.
That is awesome.
Yeah, favorite color orange. And on my YouTube thing, alright, we got a Porsche GT3 finished in that dark gray.
I like dark gray.
Yes, look at the color on that. Sparkles. Oh, yep.
Sweet. This is getting
There-
nuts, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Look at
Another
this.
car rolling in. Look at it.
Yep.
We
69.
saw this at the other car show at Garage Grill. This thing's awesome.
Z28 69. Look at this though, guys.
I know. This car
It's just
show
a small parking lot
I know.
over here, but it is filling in with super
Oh, yeah.
madness.
Yes.
Okay, what do we got here?
Got a Ferrari 458 Italia. Those red
Yep.
wheels. We saw that in the last video.
Yep, he's here again. Love
Yep.
those rims.
If you haven't seen the last video, click the other link below. So.
Sweet. What do we got here? The California.
Got
Oh, F430. Yeah, he knows more than I do, guys, about supercars. I should just not even talk.
the tan interior right there.
Yes. Listen to this, guys. Dude, there's all sorts of
Guys,
crazy.
this is crazy. Got a Lamborghini Huracan Performante right here.
Love my Lambos.
Performante. We actually saw this last night at Shields. I think this was this one.
Yep.
So, yeah, forged carbon. Oh yeah, sick carbon.
Forged carbon.
Oh, forged carbon, baby.
Yes. GTR.
Yep, GTR.
Look at this wing. Oh, that's it. Love.
Everyone's from Montana, I guess. I don't know. Oh yeah, look at this Ferrari.
Yeah, Brad, it's got ventilated seats.
Saw this at the Ferrari.
What is this, Tom?
I'm not sure.
Not sure.
That's the worst.
I like the back. It's way.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here's Johnny Sharp's Supra.
Yeah, here's Johnny's Supra.
Johnny's Toyota.
That's
I
not.
think so. Yeah.
Is it?
Or it's
Might not be. It
I
looks
know.
just like it.
I know. Oh yeah, here comes
Audi R8.
What's up, dude?
What's up, guys?
There it is. It's revving it. Yeah, dude. So sick. Oh my gosh, dude. That's ridiculous. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.